Om Shanti. Essence of Murli, 9th August 2020. Title of the Avyaktvani. The foundation of the most elevated creation is love. You have the intoxication that you alone are the worthy of worship souls. The specialty needed for serving is love. Unless they experience spiritual love with knowledge, they will not listen to knowledge. First form of success in serving was the form of love. When you belong to the Father out of love, any point of knowledge is then easily clarified. Those who are loving will not feel fluctuate. It will always be the Father and I and no third person. Those with small hearts will get confused about small things. Even small things will become big. For those with big hearts, even big things will become small. When you have a courage, you also receive the Father's help. Lamps of hope are ignited. Even those for hope, there was no hope. People of the world think that it is impossible for this to happen, that it is very difficult, but your love freed you from obstacles and brought you here like flying birds. Bapdada's greatest happiness is that the children who were lost have now come back. All of you are moving forward as your own places with zeal and enthusiasm, and all of you have the one aim of fulfilling the hope of Bapdada of making all the orphan children belongs to the Father. Those who have unbroken love for the Father receive the blessing of immortality there, constantly carefree emperors, whilst being an instrument for a task to remain carefree while doing it is a specialty. Simply remember the one Father phrase, My Baba. That is all you simply say, My Baba, and you receive all the treasures. This word Baba is the key to all treasures. Blessing. May you be decorated with the tilak of victory by creating your number one fortune with an unbroken line of faith. Children whose intellect have failed never go into the expansion of how, that is kaise, or like this, that is aise. The unbroken line of their faith is clearly seen by all souls. The line of their faith is never broken in between. You will always see a tilak of victory on the foreheads of those who have such line, that is, it is in their awareness. As soon as they are born, they have to wear the crown of responsibility of doing service. There will be those who are constantly playing with the jewels of knowledge. There will be those who spend their life constantly swinging in the swings of remembrance and happiness. This is the line of number one fortune. Slogan. To have the punctuation of a full stop in the computer of your intellect means to remain happy. Om Shanti.